Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and for this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to redeem any Roblox gift card codes only by using and playing on your iPhone device. This is a very simple and easy solution to follow, so please make sure to watch until the end. The best way to redeem it with your phone is going to Safari or any other browser that you have and search roblox.com. It will take you to their homepage. So now tap on the three lines at the top left corner, and as you can see, it says gift cards. Tap on that and it will take you to this link right here. So let's go to redeem and just wait for it, and then just type your code here. Once you tap on redeem, you will automatically get your Robux. And it's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions? Feel free to comment down below.